Well, a couple of concerns in our weather as we head through the next few days. Number one, a chance of snow as Arctic air works its way southward. And an eye on the Arctic air with our Arctic Blobcast. Here where you see the pink colors and the purples, that's the sub-zero air that's on its way. The white line here is that boundary between above zero and below zero, and it comes in late Friday night. So late Friday, we'll see temperatures falling very quickly, and the cold air settles in for the weekend as we head into Sunday. It's a big game in the Twin Cities area as we go through the day. Could be one of the colder outdoor games played in Minneapolis for an NFL playoff game. Be prepared for some sub-zero wind chills and temperatures very close to zero at game day on Sunday. We warm up briefly as we head into Monday, but more cold air is on the way as we've got a cold pool up north of us that will be swirling around and making treks into the northern plains. Right now, fog, haze, freezing, drizzle with slippery sidewalks. 29 on the thermometer. Wind at 10 miles per hour makes it a little wind chilly out there as well. Watch out for slippery conditions. Watch out for reduced visibilities. Where in some open areas, we're seeing reports of under 1 mile visibility, specifically near Carrington, Jamestown, 24, 21 Devils Lake, and only 12 in Langdon. Chilly there, and in Roseau, you have teens as well. Temperatures down south of Crookston, though, near 30 degrees. That's all the way down to the South Dakota border into Wheaton County, or Wheaton area, as well as Fergus Falls, where it's 28 degrees. Radar shows a few flakes developing near the Carrington area, Highway 281 as well, in northern portions of Stutsman County. This extends to the north and east and picks up in intensity a little bit as we drift out into northwest Minnesota. So near Highway 2 here, between Bemidji and the Fosston area, a little bit of light snow taking place. Bagley also possibly seeing some. And looking south, this extends into the Park Rapids area and the extreme eastern reaches of Becker County. So some flakes tonight. I expect more development if you happen to be making the long road trip down. Some spotty areas of fog, haze, and snow between here and Omaha. That'll be the main challenge for travelers tonight. More on that travel forecast in a moment. But right now, let's take a look at the development of snow in the Southern Valley. This happens tonight. Between now and 8 o'clock, we could see a band of some light snow develop, and it gets a little bit heavier than light by the time it's bedtime tonight. Where you see the purples there, we could be getting some large flakes, accumulating snow. But with temperatures near 30, we're talking about that wet snow that really isn't too fluffy. So the amounts will be limited by that, but it certainly won't be unslippery. Watch out for slippery roads. As we go through the overnight, the snow continues. Southeast North Dakota, Fargo, Ada, all the way out toward Mahnomen, and also near Nadawash and Bagley. Snow continues to lift out of the region. By daybreak, the snowfall should be ending, but we will have some slippery roads in those areas. Temperatures 25 for most of us to start the day, and then temperatures will hover where they are today, near 30 degrees. Wind from the northeast, like today, not strong, so the snow doesn't come with a lot of wind. That's good news. Speaking of how much snow in the afternoon, temperatures still near 30 in the south, teens up in the far north, and take a gander at that snow potential here from the Red River down point south. We're going to have a wide area of 1 to 4 inches and a very narrow band where we're going to see those pockets of 4 inches. That could include Fargo, Moorhead, and Hawley, so be prepared for that morning commute to be a little slower. 24 to start your day, temperatures rising to those low 30s in the afternoon. Teens again in the Langdon area up near Walhalla as well. 32 for Fergus Falls in the afternoon on your drive home in Wahpeton. 32. The snow chances will be best in the morning. We may see pictures like this. Alicia, thanks for sharing. Got to tell you, the 7-day planner shows the cold taking hold. Really, temperatures falling on Friday. Saturday, we'll really feel it. Down below zero into Sunday. Could be one of the colder Viking games in history. Now, let's take a look at your PetroServe USA Road to Frisco forecast. If you happen to be traveling south the next couple of days, really on Thursday, between Fargo and Omaha, chance of snow. South of there could be a narrow band of some slippery conditions and ice. On-off rain on your way down for the rest of the trip to Frisco. Speaking of which, a little bit of rain on game day as well. A little cool for Texas that time of year. And the rain showers for game day look to be holding off for now.
Oh, good. Well, speaking of Frisco, later in sports, we are live from Frisco, where the Bison are going for their 5th straight national championship. Here's a live look right now at Toyota Stadium. We'll have much more from Beth a little bit later. And have you bought your lucky lottery ticket yet? Up next, what some locals are doing to prep for those big numbers tonight. Stay tuned.